In this video, we will be shaving with New York City Odyssey, or NYC Odyssey, I might say, collaboration between Pasteur's Pharmacy and Macduff Soap Company from Canada. Don't go away. So here we are, back in business. New York City Odyssey, like I said before, is supposed to resemble what it will feel like being inside the New York City Library. It's very, the scent is just intoxicating, let me tell you something. I cannot find a shave soap from Macduff's that I don't really like. It's just crazy. I'm gonna be reading you real quick from the Pasteur's website what they are trying to achieve here. Step into the world of libraries and literature with New York City Odyssey, a fragrance paying homage to the majestic New York City Library. The scent captures the essence of exploration, imagination, and timeless allure of vintage books and hidden treasure. The scent is inspired by two fragrances, which are Maison Margiela Whispers in the Library and Byredo Bibliothe'que, with a unique twist from Macduff Soap Company, which this fellow is a master blender, let me tell you. So I'm gonna leave the notes when I start lathering up. I'm gonna just show you what I will be using in this shave. Let me put down my tablet real quick. So the matching splash, I will be using this beautiful brush that was made by Ryan Tanz in Georgia. The first time I laid eyes on this beautiful piece of work, I thought it was, if Thor lost his hammer in battle, Ryan made a new freaking handle for his hammer, and this is it. Ryan, you're the man. This is a 26 millimeter Tanturian V3 knot, I believe, which will be soaking in this bougie cup. I will be lathering in a bowl, and I will be scooping a HCNC. Senor Peter Hendricks. Razor. This is a timeless razor, aluminum, Calipso handle with the, above the tie I said, with the ALRH base plate. I don't know if you can see it. And preloaded is a BIC Platinum, chrome platinum blade. You can see the gapping in that thing. This is a pretty aggressive razor that I will be shaving 2.5 days of growth. I'm leaving the mustache and the goatee. Let me prepare, and I'll see you in a couple of seconds. Don't go away. Yep, I'm back. Didn't know if I mentioned that this is a very soft soap. I don't know if I recommend bowl lathering with this, but if you will bowl lather, you just do like 2 or 3 swirls of your brush. But as you can see, doesn't take much. This is my bowl. This is how much I will be using. The scent from the tub is pretty toned down. Once, because I took some soap, as you can see there, I don't want to put some soap in my fingers, but as soon as you take the soap and you smear or spread it in the bottom of the bowl to prepare yourself for lathering, because you get So a little bit on your fingers and in your little scooper that I use. This is resembling a shovel. You need to clean it up, and then what I use is that I use the remaining of the soap remainder as a pre-shave, pre-shave lotion, you might call it, pre-shave soap. The scent explodes everywhere. It's just intoxicating, like I said before. This is my second time using this soap, by the way. And I'm telling you, you need to get this soap. I'm gonna go over the scent notes real quick. Gonna take out the brush while I'm lathering. I'm gonna be fast forwarding this because I don't want this video to take like forever. So the soap, as you notice, is brown in the container, but as soon as you whip it, it doesn't become bright white. It just becomes like in a cream color. I don't know if the video or the colors that will be seen, but it's like a bone white type of a color. It's not my first time using Macduff soaps. Oh my gosh. Scent strength might it's not like out there in terms of but this is an easy 3.5 out of 5, like middle of the road. And we're talking about the soap only. The aftershave is another story that will go. Oh, let's do this. Have suds all over the place. Hope everybody's doing good. So, I wanted to touch base. I'm 3 subscriptions, YouTube subscriptions shy of 500. And in like 2 or 3 previous videos, I said that I will be giving away one of these. And I'm willing to ship outside of the United States. It will be, I can ship to Mexico, I can ship to Spain, I can ship to Italy, I can ship everywhere, even Israel. It's gonna be done through Pasteur's Pharmacy, and Pasteur's will be shipping. I will do all the arrangements through them, and they will handle shipping. So, as soon as I reach the 500 subscribers, I will do another video and give you the details, but I just wanted to let you know. So I decided to take the matte Plissarsic from Razor Emporium route and start close to the mustache and goatee area, because he does it and he's a legend and a pro, so I'll do whatever he does, so it works for him. So first use, BIC Platinum. This soap, the residual slickness is very, very excellent. Very good. Appreciate your comments on my last video, and also the subscriptions. Last time I did a video, I was like 7 subscriptions from 500. Now I'm 3, so thank you for those subscriptions. Yeah. Great enough for blade buffing, if you might want to. I'm just gonna take my time and enjoy the soap. My gosh, very good. It's a very efficient razor. The blade and razor combination is very, very good. Works for me. I like to use that razor with those blades, those bigs, and also Bolzano. I've been hearing a lot from Bolzanos that are now made in Egypt rather than Germany. The German blades were better. I want to do a comparison real soon about that. I got them both. Those are one of my favorite blades, the Bolzanos. They're like neck and neck with. It has varied a lot through the years that I've been doing this, but right now they're neck and neck. Look at that, and I have suds all over. Haven't talked about the knot from Ryan. Very good knot, excellent flow through, soft, and the handle is just like, well, Thor's hammer handle. Like I feel like a freaking mythological specimen right now. Woo! So that's it. Might be squeezing in a shave this weekend, a themed shave for commemorating Veterans Day for my brothers in arms. So deciding what set I will be using and what hardware. I'm telling you, this is just residual slickness, and it feels like butter. And this razor is no joke. It's blade gap is pretty. It's on a race aggressive, and I'm so confident I can go all day. Haven't talked about the scent notes from the geese. Got caught up in the shaving action. So the notes: old parchment, I believe is paper, leather bindings, cedar desks, antique woodwork, clove, plum, peach, peony, which is a flower, violets, another flower, vanilla, pepper, and patchouli. I get it. I get it that. So to me, the it starts flowery, but not a feminine flower accord. More than, to me, it's more than, I might say, what a 60s gentleman colognes like from Flores smells like. And then you get blasted with the sweetness of those fruits that are mentioned. And going through that pyramid, or from top to bottom, then you start you start to get the woods. But very, very expensive, leathery furnishings. Parchment paper, maybe, I don't know. I haven't take a pretty. But if we can talk about smelling an old book, it depends on where the book is sitting at, because there's some old books that are just moldy and rotten. You don't want to smell that. But a very expensive library building filled with furnishings made of or covered with leather upholstery, and you know, very high class individuals sitting down and chatting, and all the scents from their fragrances, colognes or whatever from the era, are just floating through the air. That's what I smell here, and it's just fabulous. It's very good, I'm telling you. So I'm gonna go and without further ado, go and use the aftershave, which this is the first time I opened it. I brought this from the Pasteur's meetup last October. I used the soap, but I didn't use the aftershave. Oh my God. No. The aftershave is something else. It's more stronger. This is easily a 4.5 out of 5. Oh. It's very, very, very nice. I'm gonna put some more and get on through my day. Ooh, yeah. Great shave. Post shave of this product, it's amazing. This is a witch hazel aftershave, no alcohol. Probably because it comes from Canada, like you see here. And this is the logo of Macduff's right there. Excellent work. So, another shave in the books. Video number 94, I believe it is. Well, thank you very much again. And until next time, Carlitos Shaves is out of the house.